Good morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Friday, October 31st. The euro declined 0.24% against the US dollar and closed at 1.2608 after Germany's CPI eased 0.3% on a monthly basis in October. The jobless rate in Germany remained flat at a level of 6.7% in October, at par with market expectations, while the number of unemployed people unexpectedly dropped by 22,000 in October, compared to a revised advance of 9,000 in the prior month. The Eurozone's Economic Sentiment Index surprisingly advanced to a reading of 100.7 in October, compared to market expectations for a fall to 99.70. In the US, the annualized GDP recorded a rise of 3.5% in the third quarter 2014, compared to a rise of 4.6% in the prior quarter, while markets were anticipating the annualized GDP to advance 3%. The pair is expected to find support at 1.2556, and a follow-through could take it to the next support level of 1.2508. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.2642, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.2680. Trading trends in the euro today are expected to be determined by Eurozone CPI as well as Germany's retail sales data, set for release in a few hours. The British pound fell 0.11% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5995. In economic news, the UK nationwide house prices unexpectedly rose 0.5% on a monthly basis in October, higher than market expectations for a rise of 0.3% and reversing a 0.1% fall registered in September. The Bank of England Deputy Governor John Cunliffe stated that the UK economy was on a path of strong growth, adding that the central bank would opt for a gradual increase in interest rates with an aim to support the recovery as long as possible. Earlier today, the GfK consumer confidence in Britain unexpectedly fell to minus 2.0 in October, following a level of minus 1.0 registered in September. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5950, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.5906. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.6039, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.6084. Amid the light economic calendar from the UK today, investor sentiment would be governed by global macroeconomic news. The US dollar strengthened 0.48% against the Japanese yen and closed at 109.31. Japan's annual National Consumer Price Index advanced 3.2% in September, less than market expectations for a rise of 3.3%. In other economic news, the nation's jobless rate came in at 3.6% in September, at par with market expectations. Data just released indicated that housing stats in Japan fell 14.3% on a YoY basis in September, higher than market expectations for a drop of 17.5%. The pair is expected to find support at 108.94, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 108.53. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 109.63, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 109.89. Meanwhile, investors look forward to the Bank of Japan's Outlook report scheduled shortly. The US dollar rose 0.20% against the Swiss franc and closed at 0.9564. The Swiss KOF economic barometer unexpectedly rose to a level of 99.8 in October, beating market expectations of a fall to 99.2 and up from a previous month's revised reading of 99.3. Additionally, the nation's UBS consumption indicator climbed to a level of 1.41 in September. The pair is expected to find support at 0.9537, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 0.9506. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.9605, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.9642. Trading trends in the Swiss franc today are expected to be determined by the SNB's third quarter currency allocation, scheduled in a few hours. That was it for today. Make sure you check out our CommexFX card. CommexFX offers you the exclusive service to withdraw funds with ease and efficiency with your CommexFX card from your Forex trading account anywhere in the world. It has never been easier to manage your account as you have straight access to cash your funds. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a great trading day!